Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now just wait for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, select while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using, allow. Then you need to swipe up and choose home button. From here, choose iOS Launcher. Click on Always, tap on Got it, and as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, and clicking on Default Apps. From here, select Home App and tap on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!